Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how you can use pencil 2D, and I also tell you you can make many animations from it, like angry press. Okay, so first of all you just need to search pencil 2D, then you will come here, something like here you will come this link, then download now, and then you can choose according to you whichever you want version. After you have done that, go to whichever. I have done 64-bit, so now I am doing 32-bit, and now I have done both the versions. So I just to show you I'm doing, I click here, and now it will ask you can do file explorer or anything. Then you will see here, click on and then double click on this and extract all. If you do and let it be like this or wherever you want to save. And after you have done this, and if you directly run, it will not work. And after it will open another tab, you can close this, and inside here you can see your pencil 2D app is there, and whichever disk you have chosen, there it will be. And I have many apps here, so I will delete the latest one because I don't need it. This is 64 and that is 32-bit. So this is how you can download this, and here you can also look tutorials for it, but I am telling you here only. So first of all you need to go to pencil 2D new. You can adjust it as you want, whatever you want. So I will how I adjust it is like something this. You can just wait, I think. And I don't use this one, you see. And this here, this is how I use it. Yeah, this is how I use it. So for me it is like this only. So what you need to do first of all is first you need to go to the app, then new, as I told you. After that, so you will go to this, and then this option you can see, this is just for clear frame or it is all frame, and this is pencil tool from which you can draw anything. Normally most of us don't use this because this actually is not very helpful. This is the eraser. This is okay. First I will take, and like say you can select this from doing left. Wait, if you have selected this, then from left click you can select this, and then yeah, you can select this and erase this also like this. You can do anything to this. Is the options to increase anything or decrease, so I will do it here only. And this is the, we will talk it, this is the pen. You can change the width of everything here, so you see the width is different from that one of everything, of pencil also. So this is the hand tool for paper or anything you want to just change. And this, and this is the main tool that normally I use. So first you need to do left click and make it wherever you want, here and then here. So you see, now there is the question that I didn't tell. So first left click and then take it to where you want, then again left click and take it where you want to go, again left click and do like this till you want. And after you have done, do double left click and then it will go. And this is color, this colors the thing like at once, a polygon. Like if I take it to red, here you can see color box, and then first I will have to go to white, yeah, and then you click this, then you see this is color red. I will click yellow, then yellow, orange, then orange. This is like this, and this is dropper. Likewise you can say that you are not able to pick the same color that you picked last time, because many times it is different. So we'll take this and let's click here, and then it will come there, and now you click here, and then this color is selected here. Now you can change this, simple. And this I told. Then this is the paint brush from which you can paint anything. This is you can say this as the drop smudge tool. Yeah, it smudges everything. You can see it's not very much useful if your animation is a normal or beginner animation. So this is not. And this is the display. From this you can change it upside down, this one upside down, this is side, and these are not, this added overlays, and this overlays fills in thirds, you see, and this is only ones, and this you can see. So you can cross it also, it doesn't does much. And then you can discard, you can save it also, and then to disable it you can again do that, whatever you want to do. And now we will talk about, first we will see, it's around 7 minutes, which is very much. So now I will, saving is, you can go to save as, and same is and import anything, and then you want to export it, you can export it as movie. Movie is normally the video, animation and image, animated GIF, you all know. And then you can create new and open recent also, which is nothing in my case because I have downloaded it again to show you. And then so now I will tell you about the onion skin. So if you do here previous frame and make something like, you want to make a line moving, and now if you make something like this, then go to the next frame 2 and this, and again make this, and yeah, you if you do it 3 less, then you can see, you can recognize that this was what you made in the last frame, and then 3 you can see these were the things that you made in last frame, so that you know that what you were making in the last frames. So these were the things, and here you can add layer, which is, and this was the basics, but I didn't tell you the how to animate, which I will tell you in the next part, because it's 10 minutes, which is very much time. So thank you.